A lot of you guys have asked me how I style my hair and how I cut it. So today I'm taking you guys with me to the barber. I'm very happy that I got an appointment today because I really need a haircut ASAP. It's like overgrown grass. Because I need to look good for New Year's and for my Japan trip, which is coming right up. But yeah, we are at my salon. I've been going here for like 5 years, so he's good. So we just got out of the salon. We don't do fades. We use scissors. Remember that. I don't even know what my haircut is called. But I'll show you guys a reference so you guys can show your barbers if you want to cut your hair the same way I do. So we just got home and this is what the hair looks like when I come from the barber. And how do I style my hair? Well, it's pretty simple. It takes like 5-10 minutes depending on how picky you are. But yeah. Let's go. So step number 1 is to weten your hair. You want it to be like semi-wet, not drenched, not dry, somewhere in the middle. I just take water on my hands and just slick the hair back, like a back slick. So this is what it looks like after step 1. Very simple. And now comes the hard part. Number 2, which is how you want to style your hair. Because I can style it in many different ways. I can have it like this, back slick, like fully back, which works, but then you don't see the curls in your front, which maybe you want, which I like. So usually first get the line that I have cut out, like that, and then I push the hair backwards, push it like this, so I get like a volume on top to take a few hairs and put it like the hairs that go from here. I try to curl them in so they get in the middle of the head. And you want to get the perfect curl, which is also pretty hard. Pretty hair never goes the same way without products. And I don't try to use products that much. And right now, I think I got a good swirl in the middle. So this is what it looks like when I usually style it. So this is what it looks like. That's my personal favorite. Very easy. But I also like having the hair that's fully back like this. It's a very little one, like this. There's endless opportunities when you have curly hair. You can have so many hairstyles, so please choose your favorite. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and thank you for watching. And good night.